The Chinese Communist Party further expanded export controls on rare earth elements, drawing strong condemnation from U.S. President Donald Trump. The Chinese Ministry of Commerce announced on October 9th that 5 more rare earth elements, holmium, erbium, thulium, europium, and ytterbium, will be subjected to export licensing requirements that will take effect on December 1st. This brings to a total of 12 rare earth elements that are subjected to Chinese export licensing, as 7 were restricted in the beginning of the year. The Chinese ministry also announced that certain lithium-ion batteries, graphite cathodes, and artificial diamonds would also require approval from Beijing. According to CSIS, companies will likely need to provide detailed documentation on end users, technical specifications, and intended applications before any export is authorized. The individualized review process gives Chinese authorities significant discretion to delay, deny, or condition exports, effectively introducing a new layer of strategic control over the global supply of rare earth inputs critical to advanced computing and defense technologies. Rare earths are crucial for various defense technologies, including F-35 fighter jets, Virginia and Columbia-class submarines, Tomahawk missiles, radar systems, Predator unmanned aerial vehicles, and the Joint Direct Attack Munition series of smart bombs. The United States is already struggling to keep pace in the production of these systems. The newly announced restrictions represent China's most consequential measures to date, targeting the defense sector, the report added. China has 270,000 tons, or 69% of the world's total rare earth reserves, while the U.S. is a distant second, with 45,000 tons, or 11%. China handles 90% of the world's rare earth separation and processing, and 93% of magnet manufacturing. Trump said on Truth Social, "There is no way that China should be allowed to hold the world captive." But that seems to have been their plan for quite some time, starting with the magnets and other elements that they have quietly amassed into somewhat of a monopoly position, a rather sinister and hostile move, to say the least. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen accused the Chinese Communist Party of using its quasi-monopoly not only as a bargaining chip, but also weaponizing it to undermine competitors in key industries during the G7 summit in Canada this year.